Hello friends, I promised that today we will have an exercise based on WH questions in future continuous tense. Okay, so let's begin. You have got 14 WH words and you have got the animals will be eating grass. You want to get the answer grass. So what will you do? What will the animals be eating? So what will the animals be eating? So we have seen yesterday how to frame questions. When your statement is given, how to frame questions, WH questions, or X questions, isn't it? Yes, or question by questions. You call by different names. Mr. Ashok will be teaching us English. You want to get answer Ashok. So the question word is who? Who will be teaching? Who will be teaching you? Who will be teaching us you English? Who will be teaching you English? Isn't it? Question mark. And that sentence, Mrs. Ida will be traveling by my car. By whose car? Yes. You want to answer my car. So you have to say by whose car? Or even whose car will do? By whose car will Mrs. Ida be traveling? Ida or Ida will be traveling. Fourth one, they will be meeting the actor. You want to get the answer actor. Whom will they be meeting? Whom will they be meeting? Alright, remember what I told you yesterday, no? Yes. Next, she will be choosing this one. Which one will she be choosing? Which one will she be choosing? Which one? So answer is this one. 6. Hector will be fighting with Achilles. So you can have many, so 2 or 3 options are there, but we will use why. Why will Hector be fighting with? Why will Hector, the Greek heroes, be fighting with Achilles? Achilles. Why will Hector be fighting with Achilles? 7. She will be doing it well. How? How will she be doing it? So the answer is well. 8. They will be going to the city. Place. You want to get this an answer, then where? Where will they be going? Where will they be going? Where will they be going? The minister will be leaving by 10 p.m. Time. So when will the minister be leaving? When will the minister be leaving? 10. My son will be spending only a little money. So then how much? So then how much will your son, my son will your son be spending? How much will your son be spending? A little money. They will be working for hours. How long? Time. Duration now. So how long? How long will they be working? How long will they be working? Next 12, he will be going for films very often. That is frequency. How often? How often? How often will he be going to films? How often will he be going to films? The party will be traveling miles and miles. Distance. How far? So how far will the party be traveling? How far will the party be traveling? And then 14, they will be selling many articles. How many articles? Number, no. So how many articles? How many articles will they be selling? How many articles will they be selling? And the last one, we will be welcoming our new teacher. Whom will you be welcoming? Whom? Our teacher. So, whom will you be welcoming? That's it. Okay? So I have used all the 14 question words plus one repeated. That is whom. Clear, I think. Now it's very, very clear because we started this process, say this kind of drilling right from the first class on tenses. We started with the present continuous tense. I hope now it's very, very clear. You know the question words are at your fingertips. Now, when to use which question word, you can easily find out. If it is time, when. If it is something, what. If it is place, where. If it is time, as time is. If it is choosing which. Then, if it is, say, cause, why. If it is manner, how. If it is a person, who. If it is somebody's possessive, whose. If it is the object, then it is whom. Isn't it? And then you have what distance, how far, duration, how long, quantity, how much, number, how many, and frequency, how often. So we have used all these question words here. I hope now you are masters of this. See you again. Bye.